Hello, guys. This is your boy Andy FXR. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. It's been a long time, guys. Um, I'll be looking at Nasdaq here. I'll be looking at Nasdaq here. I'll be looking at this uptrend. I'll be looking at this the new trend that is about to make. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Let's take it in, guys. Let's take it in. I'll be doing smart money trading. It's called smart money concept. Looking at Nasdaq. Looking at Nasdaq trend, basically, you can see that on daily charts, it's a what? It's a downtrend. The trend is down on daily charts, as you can all see that. So where are we now on Nasdaq? Looking at Nasdaq, I'm seeing that we on a supply. We are on a daily supply zone. We are on a daily supply zone. Nasdaq. This is what we are on a daily supply zone. Okay. Let's see, we're on a daily supply zone. Let me write this one. It's gonna be our it's gonna be our D1. D1 gonna be our D1 what? Supply zone. Okay, our daily supply zone. This is our daily supply zone. Looking at Nasdaq on daily, it's a downtrend. Okay, we are on a daily supply zone. Okay, dropping down to my H4. This is the something that I use most of the time to analyze Nasdaq. Looking at Nasdaq on H4, you can see that it gave us what? It gave us a minor uptrend. It gave us what? A minor uptrend. So how are we gonna see that this market is going up? It's an uptrend. Okay. Basically, when you look here, how do you see that the market it's a downtrend? Once the market breaks, once the market breaks the previous, say the market once breaks the previous low, what is going to happen is going to pin the lower higher. As you can see that the market broke the structure here. After it broke the structure, what happened? Sorry, guys, sorry. Okay. After it broke the structure, what happened? The market went down hard, went down. It even broke the structure again. It broke the structure. So it went down. We had a what? We had a gap here. We had a gap. We were not a gap. I'm not just saying it's a gap. It's a imbalance. Then again, it's broke the structure here. Okay, but I'm not there. Let's go here. Okay, let's mark like this. So this is gonna be what? This is gonna be our lower low. This is gonna be our lower low. Let me start here like this. What happened is gonna be our lower low. Broke this structure. You know what happened again? It's printed a new one. Okay, this is gonna be what? This is gonna be my lower high. This will be my lower higher. It's gonna be my lower higher. You can see this is gonna be my lower higher. And then after this lower high pen is failed to hold in this lower low, and then it's broke again. It's made again what? It's made again the lower low. We had the lower low. We had another lower low again. Okay. So looking at our previous lower, this is our lower high, ne? What happened to our lower high? The market didn't respect our lower high. What happened is broke our lower high, of which is showing what? Is showing us a change of character. What does it mean when it's a change of character? Change of character means that the change of a trend. So it's broke, then it went up above our lower high. And it's created the what? A new high. We made a new high, of which it's a sign that the markets It's about to go up. What happened when we made this lower higher, our new high, I mean, then it went down. When it went down, and then it's found our H4 supply, our H4 demand zone. This is our H4 demand zone, and then it's respected the demand zone. So when it's respected our demand zone, this is gonna be what? This is gonna be our higher low. This is gonna be what? This is gonna be our higher low. This is gonna be our higher low. So the way I see the market, this is the liquidity. This is the liquidity. This is all the liquidity the market is making. This is liquidity. This is called what? Equal lows. It's making the liquidity. So retail traders would think that the market, when it's come down, it's gonna hold again this area. No, it's gonna be a trap. It's gonna be a trap. Many people, when the market retraces back to this level, many people will gonna buy in this level. When they buy, and then they're gonna put their stop loss maybe on the week. And then what will happen? And after that, it's gonna take all the orders, break below, and then go down. This is what we call a liquidity. It's equal lows. All those are double bottom, double tops. This is what we call liquidity when we are using a smart money concept. Okay, let me continue here. So we found, I'm trying to clean this chart. Okay. Trying to clean this chart. Okay. We had what? We had our, he had our higher low. And then, come on, so guys. Then gonna have what? Gonna have our higher high here. This our higher high. What happened when the markets made this higher high? Look here what happened when this market made this higher high. We had a what? We had a double, we had a what? A double top. What happened when you had this double top? Okay, people sold, and then when they sold, again, we had a what? It's respected what? Our H4 demand, our H4 demand zone. So this reflected our H4 demand zone. So again, we'll be printing what? It's gonna be making what? It's gonna be making another. So okay, making another higher low. This will be another what? This is another higher low. This is the equal highs, guys. This is the liquidity. This is the liquidity. Look here. People are gonna say they have like how many touches? 1, 2, 3. Look what happened when the markets came to respect this OP, this order block. It's pushed higher. All people who put their stop losses here, they were stop outs because this is the liquidity. Actually, in the market, we are all the liquidity. So you need to be smart when you are trading. This is all the liquidity. These are double tops. This is what we call liquidity in the markets. It's where the institutions are setting traps for retail traders. Okay, still moving. Then the market broke our what? Broke our It's broke our double top, and then again it's printed a new higher high. This is a new higher high. This is printed. I still see more liquidity on this higher high. It's another what? Another what? Higher high. This is what? It's our higher high. And then what happened again? The market tried to push down. Come back to our broken zone. Let's come back to respect it. Then once it's created again, created the higher low. Put it again, another higher low. After this higher low, what you had again, we tried to invite more sellers here. And then what is happening when you try to invite more sellers is made again the equal heights, more liquidity again. This is another more liquidity. So what happened after it tried to trap the sell traders, like it was going down and boom, up again. What happened again is printed another what? It's printed another what? Printed another higher high. So what happened with printed a higher high? We are on in H4. No, we're on a daily. Our last high height, we are on a daily demand zone. We already broke this high. It was on a 2 of June. We broke it, and then we made a new higher high. Okay. This is how you see an uptrend. This is how you see an uptrend. Break a structure comes to space where we have a lot of imbalance that need to be filled here. We have a lot of imbalance that need to be filled. I can see the imbalance here. I can see the imbalance here. I can see the imbalance here. This is the whole imbalance that need to be filled. This is the whole imbalance that need to be filled. So this week is the NFP week, guys. We must trade with good caution. Okay, let me remove these things. This is more liquidity that the market need to cover. But the liquidity most of the times it doesn't cover at the same time. It can take days, can take weeks to cover it. As you can see that Nasdaq is on a minor uptrend on H4. So Nasdaq will drop to this level. Nasdaq will drop. Nasdaq is gonna drop to this H4. This H4 supply zone. Expecting a drop on Nasdaq. I'm expecting a drop on Nasdaq. So I'm expecting a drop to this supply zone, to this demand zone. You see on H1 is more clear. H1 is more clear. This is liquidity. No, this is imbalance. It needs to be filled. This is the imbalance. It needs to be filled. As you can see that it didn't fill it at the same time, but what happened? It went up. It went up. So we are waiting. We are waiting. It's gonna push down. I'm expecting a drop down here. And then this is gonna be what? If it can drop to smaller time frames, I can say if it breaks this one, it's gonna be what? It's gonna be my change of character. It's gonna be what? It's gonna be change of character. In order for the market to reach this level, it's gonna be what? My change of character. So we're gonna monitor Nasdaq since it's NFP week. Apple trading with caution, but the possibilities it's gonna happen. Nasdaq is gonna drop down to this H4 demand zone. This is more liquidity. This is no, it's not liquidity. Sorry, guys. It's this come on. This is imbalance that need to be filled. This is the imbalance that still need to be filled. This is the imbalance that still need to be filled. So the imbalance that still need to be filled, guys. Okay. Let's see. Let's go. You can see how the market has been moving. It's been moving nicely, very, very, very up. Very nice. Great printing. Very good structure. So hoping for the market to push down. Get to push down this area. Push down in our H4 demand zone. Our H4 demand zone. So I'll be posting more signals and more setups to our channel group. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the button. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day. Thank you very much.